In this video, I will show you how to change Facebook profile URL easily. Open your browser and log in your Facebook account. Go to your profile, see here show your Facebook profile URL. I want to change it, let's get started. Go to profile image icon right side on the browser, click here. Then click Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Click Personal Details. Now click your profile icon. Click Username. Click Facebook. Now you type your desired name. If your name is available, a green right mark here. Then click Done. After doing this, go to your Facebook homepage and go to your profile. See the URL now changed. That's it, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.